Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notification of MeetMe application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Here, scroll down your screen and tap on Apps option. Go to Manage Apps. Here in the search bar, type in MeetMe. Click on Notifications option. Here, you'll just have to turn off the button of Show Notifications. So that is how you can turn off notification of MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.